Hello everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Seasoned Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much, your girl really does appreciate it. And welcome back. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you, and there's more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, our video on today, we will be opening our Ipsy Glambag Plus. You like my Vanna White moment? Okay, and I just want to show you something. Normally, I don't show my address, right? But you're talking about Lysol for real, for real? Lysol to the point where it kind of wore the, the postage information right on off. But nonetheless, for those of you who are not familiar with Ipsy, there are 3 levels of Ipsy. Just like another box that we've previously done, okay? And in the Ipsy, there is the Ipsy Glambag, and that one is $12, and you get 5 sample size products, okay? Then you have the GlamBag Plus, which you also get 5 products. However, these are full size, and this box is $25 per month. Then there's the big one, which is the Ipsy Ultimate, and with that one you get more than 7 or 8, and that one is $50 per month. Okay, now of course we're gonna jump right in, and it starts off with to you, from you. Okay, and when we open it up, it says discover yourself, and it's nicely packaged so that we can ensure that our products arrive safely. Now, our theme for the month is full bloom, even though it didn't feel like it here this morning in my neck of the woods because we got some snow, but it is truly springtime, and it says Mother Nature's finest work, you. It's time to fully embrace your natural and most gorgeous state. Curls, curves, and all, and allow yourself to blossom. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and jump right in and check out each of the products. It says roses are red, violets are blue, and these 5 GlamBag Plus products were picked just for you. Now, the first item that we have is, actually, it's a 2-product item. It's a 2-product item, okay? And it is this right here, the Star Skin VIP 1 and 2, and this one says Star Skin VIP Creme de la Creme Instantly Recovering Luxury Cream Coating Face and Diamond Mask VIP. That is a lot to say, and that was just the titles, okay? It says no time for a spa facial? No big deal. 15 minutes with one of these sheet masks will give your skin the same luminous look. The Creme de la Creme mask is coated with nearly half a jar of cream, and the Diamond mask is packed with a rich botanical serum to make your skin glow. And the manufacturer suggested price for the 2 is $30. Okay. Now it says it has almost a half a jar of cream. I would love to know what type of cream that is. I'm gonna have to check it out and see, but oh, well, here on the package it just says coated with 18 grams of cream across the bottom here. Okay, and this one says infused with 30 milliliters of serum. I am going to do some research before I publish this. I want to see what the cream and serums are. Okay, so this is items in number 1. The next item we have, this one I chose, and it is the Dose of Colors liquid matte lipstick, and the shade that I actually chose was Brick. This is so pretty to me. So here is the shade. Okay, and our card says here, bold tip enthusiasts rejoice. This brick red shade will be love at first swipe. The velvety smooth formula applies like a cream, then dries to a matte finish that feels like second skin all day long. It does say, as a tip, this shade stuns alone and plays well with others. Alright, to customize your hue, try using a lip liner to fill in your lips before layering this liquid lip on top. Manufacturer suggested retail price on this one is $18. Okay, I love the shade. Oh, and it's drying down beautifully. All right, the next item that I have is by Girlactic. Okay, and this is the Jello Gloss Bomb. Well, I'm not going to open it or swipe it. It may end up being in a giveaway. I just wanted you to see what the inside packaging look like, if it makes it this far, because you know I have granddaughters and they love lip gloss. So it says, forget everything you thought you knew about lip balm. This jelly balm is anything but basic. It's packed with avocado oil and vitamin E to give dry lips the nourishment and moisture they need. Plus, an ultra glossy look is gorge on everyone. Okay? And the manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is also $18. $18 for a lip gloss. This thing better be amazing. It better be amazing. Okay. If it goes to my granddaughters, maybe I'll have her come on here, do a video with me wearing that, and that way you'll get a chance to see exactly what it looks like. The next item we have is Sela Cream Rose, the very best cream rose. Okay, 4-ounce size, and it says treat your body to intense moisture and your nose to a pretty floral scent with this body cream. This magic combo, capucha butter and Abyssinian oil to soften and smooth roughness, plus notes of sweet jasmine, peach, and rose water that linger on skin throughout the day. Now the tip here says, slather this body cream on damp skin as soon as you hop out of the shower. It locks in the extra water for long-lasting hydration. And the manufacturer suggested retail price on this one is $39. I'm always here for a good lotion and a good moisturizer. And this one is sealed, but I know I'll be using it and it won't be too long from now. So, oh my Jesus. Oh, this smells amazing. I have to be really careful with this one, not to waste it. Now, you don't have to take it out of the container that way. I just had to remove the seal, so it does have a pop top. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my gosh, that smells really good. Woo, okay, and the last item that we have is by Tarteist. And this one is the Double Take eyeliner, and it's in black. And it says, TBH, we'd love just one Tarte liner, but two? Yup. Team Ipsy is fully obsessed with this dual-ended gel and liquid liner. Use the pencil tip along your waterline to define your eyes, or flip it to the liquid liner side to create crisp lines and feline-inspired flicks. Manufacturer suggested retail price on this one is $34. Look at that. And it is retractable, so it does not require sharpening. Nice, very nice. Look at this line. Look at this line. And this is on the felt tip liner side, and that is gorgeous. And of course, when we receive our Ipsy GlamBag Plus or Ultimate, we do get a makeup bag. This month's makeup bag, I'm here for it. I like it. I like it. Now, I'll tell you, I do get quite a few of these bags, as you know, because I get an Ipsy GlamBag Plus every month. And they all have a bag in it. So what I do is I keep mine. I have my daughter-in-law has bags, and some from my daughter, and I take them and I put some samples of other items, because I get so many products and not everything is being used by me, nor do I give everything away in a giveaway. So I take some items as well as some daily items, and I put it in these bags, and we take them down to the shelters. Now, I'm not saying this to you to try to toot my own horn or anything like that, no, but they give us some really beautiful bags. And if something like that can cheer up a person, you don't know what they went through, you don't know what their situation was to cause them to be in the position that they're in, but just to bring a smile to someone's face, that's good stuff right there. So that is what I do with the extra bags. Now, okay, so in addition to that, the bags that I do keep, which can't keep too many, but the bags that I do keep, I use them in my purse to separate, you know, my items. I put like my makeup bag, of course, and then I have my stylus, my pens, my notepad, those different types of things. I put them into a bag and they go into my purse. So that may be a good idea for those of you who do get Ipsy bag and you don't know what to do with all the bags you have. Take it and separate your personal belongings that you put inside of your purse, so everything is not, you know, flopping all over the place. Just an idea thought I'd share with you. So these are the items from our April Ipsy GlamBag Plus. I will also give you the manufacturer suggested retail price for all of these items had you purchased them in the store or online. Now, I hope that I've shared some information with you that will help you to make an informed decision. Now, I just wanted to share with you, if you decide that you would like to become a part of the Ipsy GlamBag family, There's a link below. Go ahead and check it out. Don't worry if you start to get too many products and you're on overload. You can, they have a link on their website where you can go and skip a month, put it on hold, and come back, say, okay, look, I'm on overload and this is just way too much. So you can, and never lose your place as a subscriber of the Ipsy GlamBag Plus. So that's always good to know as well. So I thank you so much for spending time with me on today. I hope I've shared some information to help you make an educated choice. And remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.